Welcome to our latest guide on how to wipe your iPhone. Whether you're preparing to sell your device, give it away, or just need a fresh start, next, we'll walk you through all the methods to erase your iPhone securely. Method 1. Wipe iPhone in Settings. Head to Settings, then General and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase all content in Settings, then tap Continue. Tap Erase iPhone, then enter your screen passcode. Method 2. Wipe iPhone on Find My app. Open the Find My app, then tap Devices. Find your iPhone and scroll down to tap Erase this device. Tap Continue, then enter your Apple ID password. Method 3. Wipe iPhone at iCloud.com. Visit iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID details. Click the Find iPhone button. Select your iPhone from the device list and click Erase this device. Enter the Apple ID password to factory reset your device. Method 4. Wipe iPhone in iTunes/Finder. Make sure that your iPhone is connected to a trusted computer. Open iTunes, click your device icon, and go to the Summary tab. Click the Restore iPhone button, then follow the on-screen instructions. After restoring, all data on your iPhone will be erased. Method 5. Wipe iPhone via MagFone. Open MagFone iPhone Unlocker and select the Unlock Apple ID option. Then you need to follow the on-screen guide and let MagFone iPhone Unlocker factory reset your iPhone.